The LR5 Temp Guard electronic temperature control is a digital microprocessor-based temperature control, indication, and alarm system. It continuously monitors the temperature of the refrigerator or freezer through its sensor assembly. When the temperature warms to the point where it reaches the upper temperature limit, the LR5 sends a signal to turn on the compressor, which cools the unit. The compressor is kept running until the temperature reaches the cold setting. When this lower temperature setting is reached, the LR5 turns off the compressor, the unit then warms over time, and the process continues. The LR5 normally displays the current temperature inside the unit. It also records and holds in memory the warmest and the coldest temperatures seen by the control. To display these temperatures, press the up button for the warmest temperature and the down button for the coldest temperature. To clear out or reset this memory, press both up and down buttons at the same time and hold until the display blinks. The warmest and coldest temperatures are now reset to equal the high temperature and the low temp setting. The LR5 also provides the following features: a red LED for visual indication of an air condition, a beeper for audible indication of an air condition, and a battery for indication of error even when the control has lost power. The LR5 will alert if a door is opened by sounding a single beep. If the door stays open for 10 minutes, the LR5 indicates the air condition has occurred by activating the red LED and the beeper. Next, we'll show how to set up the alarm and control range of the LR5. First, you should note that the LR5 has been factory set and tested to allow your unit to operate at its designed temperature cycle. Adjusting the settings on this controller will alter these factory settings. You should wait at least 8 hours after the initial setup before making any temperature adjustments, and we strongly recommend that you contact manufacturer's technical support department before making these adjustments. Okay, to set the high temperature or the low temperature of the control range, first with the high temperature, press the high temperature button and the corresponding LED will start flashing. Use the up arrow and the down arrows to change the temperature. Then press the high temperature button again to lock in the desired temperature. Note that the LED stops flashing. You follow the same procedure to set the low temperature using the low temp button. To set the high temperature alarm, press the high temperature alarm button and the corresponding LED will start flashing. Again, you use the up and the down arrows to change the alarm temperature. Press the high alarm button again to lock in the desired temperature and the LED stops flashing. You can follow the same steps for the low temperature alarm using the low alarm button. Note that pressing and holding the up and down arrows for a long period of time while changing temperatures causes a rapid increase or decrease in the value on the display. This can be used for large changes in the temperature setting. Also, after the high temperature, low temperature, high alarm, or the low alarm button is pressed, the user has 15 seconds to press the up arrow or the down arrow buttons. If no activity is detected, the control reverts to its main control activity while leaving the settings unchanged. And that is the operation of the LR5 Temp Guard electronic temperature control.